Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake. Today, we're diving into something a little different but extremely useful for offices, small businesses, or anyone who needs serious productivity from a printer. I've got the renewed HP CC522A that's the LaserJet Enterprise 700 Color MFP M775dn. And yes, we're going to break down everything you need to know about it. First off, let's talk about what this printer actually is. The HP LaserJet Enterprise 700 is designed for professional environments where speed, reliability, and quality matter. This isn't your typical desktop printer, it's a multifunction powerhouse that can print, copy, scan, and even fax if you need it. And being a color laser printer, it's capable of producing vibrant, professional-looking documents without having to worry about smudges or slow drying times. The design of the M775dn is classic HP, sturdy, functional, and built to last. It's not the smallest printer on the market, so you'll need a bit of desk or floor space for it. But that build quality translates to longevity, which is something you'll definitely appreciate if you're planning to put this in a busy office environment. It has a clean white and gray design that feels modern but professional, and the interface is intuitive, with a touchscreen that makes navigation straightforward. Now, let's talk performance. The M775dn is no slouch. It can print up to 35 pages per minute in black and white and around the same speed for color. That's incredibly fast for a multifunction printer of this caliber. And if you're printing tabloid or ledger-sized documents, this printer handles them with ease. The print quality is sharp, crisp, and consistent, which is exactly what you want when you're sending documents to clients or creating reports that need to look professional. One of the features I really like about this printer is the duplex printing, automatic two-sided printing. This saves paper, reduces waste, and speeds up workflows. You also have a decent paper capacity right out of the box, and if you need more, the trays are expandable. That's something that's going to be crucial in an office setting where you might be doing high-volume printing every day. Connectivity is another big win here. The M775dn supports wired Ethernet, which is great for networked environments, and USB connectivity is also included. HP's web-based interface makes managing print jobs and settings pretty seamless. For IT departments or even individual users who want to control access and monitor usage, this printer makes that very straightforward. The scanning capabilities are nothing to scoff at either. You've got high-resolution scanning options, and the feeder can handle multiple pages at once, which saves time if you're digitizing a bunch of documents. The color accuracy for scans is impressive, and you can scan directly to email, USB, or network folders, making it versatile for any workflow. I should also mention reliability. Being an enterprise-level printer, the HP M775dn is built to handle heavy workloads. The renewed model has been tested, refurbished, and certified to perform like new, which is great because it gives you enterprise-level performance without paying the full price of a brand new unit. It's perfect for businesses that need durability and dependability without breaking the budget. Maintenance is fairly straightforward too. HP's design makes replacing toner cartridges and doing routine upkeep simple. And with a renewed model, you're getting components that have been inspected and replaced as needed to ensure everything runs smoothly. In terms of software, the HP CC522A supports all the standard HP drivers and software utilities. You can print directly from your desktop, set up secure printing, or integrate it into larger office management systems. For color management, the printer delivers consistent output across different jobs, which is critical when brand colors or precise color matching is required. Something I always like to point out is energy efficiency. The M775dn has features that reduce power consumption when idle, which is good for both the environment and your electricity bill. It's always a nice bonus when a heavy-duty printer doesn't feel like it's running your utility